Hey, thanks for tuning in. So in this series, I'll be exploring many aspects of the NitroBrew kettle system. If you're interested in our tap systems, please check out the website for more info. So the most important thing to note about these kettle systems is that you can use them in the comfort of your own home. Most popular for home use are our 12-ounce and 16-ounce home kits. These kits will include one kettle of either choice, a charger, and a compressor. Next is our combo bundle. This one has one of each size kettle, the charger, and the compressor. And then lastly, we offer commercial bundles in either size, the 12 or the 16, and these are better suited for businesses. So the most popular things, of course, are cold brew coffee, stout beers, and teas. However, all different types of coffee can be nitro brewed, as well as all different types of beer. For example, regular iced coffee or flavored coffee, IPAs, sours, or porter beers. In addition, teas, juices, cocktails, and other specialty drinks that taste very delicious on nitro. Please note, don't use any heavy pulps or thick milks in the nitro brew kettles. Thanks for watching. See you next time.